They're leaving now. So we're leaving to Catbalogan. My other relatives going to Tacloban, fly to Manila. So we're done our family reunion. We're here in Taft. So we're gonna ride a van now. Later we ride a motorbike to Catbalogan. We're going now to Catbalogan, from Taft to Catbalogan. So we're riding motorbike because others already there including Trex. So they're already riding the van. So we're just riding our motorbike going to Catbalogan. See you. Now we're gonna visit some spring here in Taft. So we just leave our motorbike there. Exploring. So we're gonna ride that boat. So from hiking, like 10 minutes hiking, we're gonna cross here in the river, Taft River. So we ride that boat going there. The spring just only there, not so far away. Oh, that's the motorboat. Yeah, we're gonna ride the boat. The boat, we're gonna cross the Taft River. Oh, sige. Tamak mo pa eh. Sabot nga. O, tanaw lingkod. Picture. Tanaw. Taft River. Meron lang. Taft River. Oh, they're bamboo. Unique. Na unique ang bamboo. Oh, there the spring.
Ano ka? Upay sa spring daw.
Oh, sige na.
Wow.
Okay, clear ito. Sige na, ito. Magdala ba ako sa imo? Dili klaro.
It's nice here.
Oh,
It's
see?
very clean.
Oh, very clear.
Ang grabing tubig. Hala ka, upay sa tubig.
Wala.
Nature, ang dating... Ay, Trex na miss ni Trex. Hala, nakaupay sa kuwan, oh.
Para sa mga
Ang
isda.
underground plants.
Oh. Ano pa nangyari spring? Ay, tanang taon niya. Kalimot ko. I've been here long time ago. The spring now there. Many people taking a bath. A picture time. Okay, we're here in spring. We're gonna take a bath few minutes. Yeah, we're just resting now. Then we're gonna take a bath in the spring. Very beautiful here. Paradise. Here in Taft. Eastern Samar. Change. It's very nice flower here. Very beautiful. This is spring.
Dili makuhaan sa picture. Picture ta dali.
Magtakabat na kami. Only na water, oh, very clear.
Asya.
Clear spring water.
Napagoy dagang tanom sa ilawom sa tubig.
Oh, okay.
Tagas nga nga tanom.
Okay.
Siya nang gibaligya ngadto sa mga
Asa na tanong? Namaste. Beautiful here. Nice swimming. Natural spring. Here in Taft, Eastern Samar. Mga tanah mo, very nice.
Pang aquarium siya nga tanom. Galing. Yan o. So, ang source sa water is kana may mga bubbles. Hindi siya maklaro. Okay. Ano yung bubbles?
Living now in the spring. Yeah. So bye-bye spring. Very nice there. Beautiful.
Plants daddy kay very clear ang water. Makita ang sa
Very nice.
ilalom.
Oh, they're gonna jump.
Blue green. Here daddy oh. Ipakita. Ito pa oh, bagan. Okay. Magdaan ako kuan baon. Pa na siya, dili na area.
Oh, hawa din na.
Oh. Malipay ko talaga ang mga isda maglangoy-langoy didi. Naaro ako plants ha, ang natanggal la.
Na.
Clear ang sapa talaga. Nakabok pa sa sapa. Malahi ko ya adin inaabot niya. Mas maupay mo visit mo diri kay nice ang tubig. Natural here. Matabok na ni kuya.
Nagbablog ka mo, sir?
Yeah.
Justin Adaw, sir.
Justin Adaw?
Opo.
So there's a Justin Adaw, caretaker of Maliliao Spring here in Taft. So you can visit here. Ang driver. Sige. Nahinay, sige.
Sige, okay na.
Oh, back.
Basta na ako.
Sige, 1, 2, 3. Back.
Okay. Natusok.
Sige, damang salamat. Bike lang kami sunod. Crossing the other side of the river. So we go now to the main road to get our motorbike and continue riding. Next stop where Binaluan. We're gonna say Binaluan Spring. So we just finished the Maliliaw Spring here in Taft. And later Binaluan Spring. So it's also part of Taft Eastern Samar. So we're exploring tourist spot here in Eastern Samar. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, finally arrived in the road. Highway now. Get our motorbike there. There's our motorbike. Yeah. We're back to the motorbike. Let's go. Binaluan Spring. So the place they go cave diving there. So dito na cave diving ito. Hira kuan, hira.
Laday.
Dave, oh, dinhed to. Oh, so big spring.
Oh, may fish. Oy.
Yeah.
May mga...
Very nice.
No, ano.
But this one another spring here. Oh.
So, pwede na ako matama. Oh. Yes, I remember this one.
Picture, tanaw. 1, 2.
So, kuan na ni siya, daddy?
Yeah. Yes.
Pag dive didi,
Hmm.
na kuan nila ang end. So, ila pa ning titiwason?
Hmm.
Dili sila nag-dive mismo?
Oh, pati dito.
O didi?
Dito.
So, connected ning duha?
Oh. Road there, so below is the Binaluan Spring. So we came from the source, and this is the downstream. So local washing here and taking a bath in the spring. It's all the way to Taft River also. Yeah, the local is washing.
Kani? Hataf ang exit?
Oh.
Grabe ka delikado na. agi anay sa ubos.
Mapicturan na eh.
Then pataas. Tapos masama sa taas. Pwede nga mag-stop.
Oh, stop.
Look
Picture
dito.
kita.
Ayun.
Oh, ito
Anay.
picture. Dilip.
Sa... Ayaw la sa daddy. Oh. So, asya ni ang loop de loop. Okay? Loop de loop. So, ang kasada sa ubos.
Lop, dilop.
Loop de loop.
Dilop. O, tangan din. Mag-out ng kotse.
Asya, ang katong kotse niya ni Agi. Mugawas to didi. We'll wait for them. Oh, there. Asya na. Tapos, lapos diri. Adto na. See? Okay. Then pataf na to siya. Ayun.
Yeah, love the love bridge. Yeah, nice. And that. So the road will pass here like that. And the road will come here. And all the way to other side going down. Okay, let's go. Yeah, arriving in Lop, the Lop. Going now. Bye bye. Back to the mountain.
Delikado sa mga traveler ang kalinang area. Beautiful pagod sa place.
Hydro plant here in Taft. So this is the source of electricity by hydro energy, and also they have also solar energy here in Taft, Eastern Samar, but it's not allowed to go inside. We want to see, but it's not allowed. Yeah. Now, so we go back to the motorbike. So we just only take a look, but it's not allowed to go inside. Bye bye.
Oh. This one has a different smell. Baho siyang taay. You see that one? So na-shake one siguro dire. Ay, grabe something. Ibang baho. Mababahuan ko talaga siya. Tapos nagka-stain iyang ko ano. Okay pagkita. Actually. See? Baho siyang taay. Okay, tanaw na. Ang kalsada. Dilaig color. Grabe akong pangsimhot. Nasimhot ko talaga. Na-amaze lang ako sa color.
We're gonna visit again another tourist spot here in Paranas. Mariela's viewing deck. Oh, camping ground lang. Pwede tayo mag-camping overnight. Maria's viewing deck camping ground. So let's go. Okay. Visit now another tourist spot in Paranas. Like a viewing deck here. In camping area. Okay, let's go in Barangay San Isidro. Okay, pushing forward. Oh, sige, pushing ko no. Keep pushing. Okay. Hal na kami. Taas ngayon ng viewing deck. Namin sa langit. Oh, kita ng adlaw dito. Okay, viewing, di natural mayong view. View now, very beautiful. Only here in Samar, Paranas, Samar. Very nice. Yeah. Also, so you can have a coffee here. Very nice. Looking the sunset. There, beautiful. Nice view. Oh, good boy, yeah.
Good girl, daddy. Silon.
Good girl. Opo, opo. Yeah, sige, go. Wala ka, beautiful. Overlooking the sunset. Beautiful. Yeah, see the forest. Samar Island Natural Park. Beautiful. Viewing deck. Mangaran Mariela. Mariela viewing deck. Oh, camping ground. So you can see the beautiful forest of Samar Island. Yeah. Beautiful viewing deck at Marielas in Barangay San Isidro, Paranan, Samar. Actually, this is only new open on May. So you can come and visit here. You can go camping here overnight. So Marielas viewing deck. Here in Barangay San Isidro, Paranan, Samar. The beautiful view of Samar Island Natural Park. Ano ba yung litingin yung kuhan, kasaba?
Adi man, may nakita kong balanghoy nga pula. O pula ko diya ko panit. Tapos nag-ingon si ate nga pagpanitan nimo ang bunga, ang di ba ang brown. Tapos ang sunod kanang baga nga puti. So ang kani nga klase instead of puti, bagan ko no violet. Bagan violet. Violet good iya color. Something. Pero dili siya green. Tapos pula. Ang karaan pa kuno ni nga mga balanghoy. Di man o. Kuan gud talaga hiya. Iba. Green siya sa ubos na. Tapos magtika ko ana siya. Muna mo pula na siya. Naami diri sa middle size INP. Upay la. Kusog ang hangin. Yung makuha ako, nanangit ako ni ate. Adto pa. Sa langit.
Adi.
Adi. Dili. Adi. Ang dagko la. Say thank you, te.
Salamat.
Si ate.
So now at Samar Island Natural Park, SINP. So now we're going now to Villa Escobar Spring. We're gonna take a bath. Villa Escobar Cold Spring. Gonna take a bath here for refreshing. Very nice here. Yeah. Swimming time. The spring. There. Natural spring. Very nice. The source there. Oh, nice fish.
Tilapia. Ano na si fish?
Very nice.
May tilapia. Dagko na.
Oh, swimming na. Yeah.
Ang tilapia nito, ginpo ka niyo, bibigyan niyo at liwat. Ay, nilo. Ay, Diyos ko.
Very cold. Murag ice. Nice. Very cold. Picture.
Gipakyaw na mo ang resort. Wait, tao.
Solo na akong Belias ko, Ber. Pakyaw. Pakyaw na ako.
Yun, pakyaw.
Okay, tao din kami lang.
Asya. Oh. Ay, para sa gagmay ngayon.
Man-made swimming pool, Belias ko, Ber. So from the spring, they have also swimming pool. Natural there, and this one is man-made. Very beautiful here. We're leaving now. Going now to Paranas. Hub snack. Getting dark. Bye-bye. We're gonna have our snack here in the restaurant Samar in Paranas. Yeah, very nice. in Catbalogan. Yeah, mommy. Yeah, arrived now. Thanks God for safe. Yeah, traveling. Yeah. Nice back home. Home sweet home. Finish your adventure. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you for the caving in Samar. In 3 days in Langon Gubingog Cave soon. Bye-bye.